from kiwi straw. The children laugh with colors wide, their hands all splash with greeny pride. They swirl the paints on paper fair and draw bright gardens everywhere. The smell is fresh of orchard lands, of kiwi fields and farmer hands. The paints all glow with juicy might, like emerald stars in morning light. The palettes shine, the brushes sing, the paint pots dance in sparkling ring. The kiwis hum, our job is done, we've made green joy for everyone. The night rolls in, the paints still glow like lantern lights in gentle row. They shimmer soft, they shine so true, a gift of green for all to view. The canvas is dry with leafy song, the colors stay the whole night long. They tell the tale of kiwi cheer, a painted dream for all to hear. So if you find a color bright that glows like grass in morning light, it may have come from juice that plays in Kiwi Paint Works magic way.